from the beginning that I had tunnel vision. But that's that shit that get you killed at the age of 19. Man, the struggle getting real. You got some empty stomachs that gon' need to be filled. It's like I've been living life on a motherfucking grill, married to where the lies season me with these lies. Flip me to the other side till I'm black inside. But they don't know me from the core. How I started out poor. We ain't have a place to stay, knocking door by door. It's like I'm watching for the cops, you watching for the show. And I've been plotting for it. How you ain't heard it before? When this motherfucker getting beat, you can feel all that. Grab a thing, I might get killed by you, man. But what's life? If you don't even take the risk, but who yeah.